No, I'm serious. I'm pretty sure we're in a game with FaZe Rain. We're trolling them. Dude, we're in a game with FaZe. I'm watching his gameplay right now. Do you guys not care that we're in a game with a FaZe member? Army. We're in a game with a FaZe member. We're in a game with a FaZe member. Like... Dude, we're in a game with FaZe Rain. We're gonna win this.
Help you get into there. You got bombs?
Medicine.
Oh. We lost that one,
Alright, see y'all later. I'm not gonna be back for a long time.
Yeah.
What the hell are you talking about? Oh, that was a long time ago.
Okay, here y'all.
This is what Fridays and Fridays is.
When I say FaZe, just tell, we're gonna tell them we're trolling, okay?
Yeah, do you know about Freddy's Fazbear's Pizza? Alright, bedtime.
Just go. Hey, we're playing with the FaZe member. So, I mean...
Yeah, wait, Daddy, wait, where's he going? Dallas. Oh, wait. No! Dad! Don't leave! Turn everything off and go to bed.
Okay.
Did you get that hug?
Oh, yeah.
He's telling you bye.
I told him bye.
Are you kidding?
I told him bye.
He's gonna be following your sleep.
Bye. Peace out, if I don't see you next time.